What if I told you the next generation of nurses will be coding, piloting drones, and performing remote surgery? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. Welcome to Purpose Path TV, where we explore how faith, purpose, and innovation shape our world. Today, we're diving deep into the future of nursing, how technology is revolutionizing the profession and opening doors for visionary nurses across the globe. The transformation of nursing. Healthcare is evolving faster than ever, and nurses are at the center of this transformation. From AI-driven diagnostics to telemedicine, nursing is no longer confined to hospital walls. Imagine a nurse in Kenya monitoring patients in Canada through tele-ICU systems, or a nurse in Saudi Arabia controlling medical drones to deliver vaccines to remote desert communities. This is the new frontier. Emerging tech in nursing. Let's explore 5 technologies reshaping nursing. Artificial intelligence. AI nurses now use AI tools to predict patient outcomes and personalize care plans. Robotics. Robotic assistants help with lifting patients, cleaning, and even surgery prep, reducing nurse fatigue. Telehealth and virtual nursing. Nurses can now manage patient consultations and chronic care entirely online. Wearable health devices. Continuous monitoring through smart patches and sensors keeps nurses connected to their patients 24/7. Data analytics and coding. Tech-savvy nurses are learning to code, analyze data, and design patient care algorithms. Emerging specialties. These technologies have birthed new nursing specialties you may not have heard of. Informatics nurse specialist, where clinical knowledge meets data science. Telenurse practitioner, delivering care remotely across borders. Genomic nurse, personalizing treatment using DNA. AI nursing consultant, helping hospitals implement smart systems. Global health technologist, using drones, VR, and mobile health for developing regions. Career and financial impact. Nurses who adapt to these roles will not only future-proof their careers but also unlock global income streams. Whether you're in Africa, Asia, or the Middle East, learning these skills positions you for international opportunities and financial growth. Faith and purpose segment. Every tool is only as powerful as the heart behind it. As nurses embrace technology, we must remember, healing comes from both knowledge and compassion. Faith keeps us grounded as we step into the unknown future of healthcare. The future of nursing is bright, and it belongs to those ready to learn, lead, and innovate. If you believe God is preparing you for greater impact in your career, this is your time. Subscribe to Purpose Path TV for more insights on nursing, faith, and global opportunities. And let's journey into the future together.